Here we go, Malmo. Copenhagen to Malmo. We're about to go under the tunnel. This whole thing is 19 kilometers. The Oresund Bridge and Tunnel. So I think this first bit is about 5 or 6 k's underground, well, under the water. And then we're going to pop out the other side and then hit this huge mega bridge. Cost 4 billion something euros to build. I see light at the end of the tunnel. And then we'll be in no man's land, somewhere in between Denmark and Sweden, over the ocean. Let's see what it looks like. But yeah, we hit the fun part of this 19-kilometer bridge. Here you can see the engineering marvel this was. Here it comes. This was built in 20 odd years ago, 2000, 2001 it was completed. And check the size of this thing. And it was a huge win for the city of Malmo here across this bridge, which is in Sweden. There was a sleepy hollow town that built a few submarines. Now it's like this bustling tech center. It costs much cheaper to live there than in Copenhagen. So a lot of people choose to live there and then live here. Either get one of these monthly passes to cross the bridge, or you hop on the train. It takes 1 hour and you're in Copenhagen. There in the distance you can see Malmo. Right, we're at the toll gate. Card or cash? Let's check out this toll road.
Hi, welcome to the bridge. Can I ask you to wait for a moment?
Oh, sure. So it says 785 SEK. Not quite sure what that means, SEK. But as I understand, it's supposed to be about $50 odd. I read that to make back the 4 billion.
Thank you for your patience. It's okay now. You
Okay.
can pay as normal.
There you go. Please wait. They're going to take him 35 years. They're 505 Danish kroner. That's $50.
Thank you very much. Your receipt will come out there for you.
Thank you. So,
Thank you for your patience.
thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Alright, here we go. Welcome to Sweden. Taken 35 years to pay this off. They've been at it for 20, so another 15 years to go. And this bridge will be paid for. Cool. Let's go to Sweden.